Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the creating and executing applet. We have already studied the basics of applet. Now, let's go through the programming. First, some basic concepts. Applet executes when its lifecycle methods are called by JVM. Applet doesn't begin with main method. Applet is different kind of program which runs on Applet viewer or web browser. On Applet, output not performed by system.out.println method, but we can use some AWT methods such as drawString method, paint method. Paint method is used to draw string or draw some shapes like rectangle, circle, etc. Paint method is derived by AWT and must be overridden by applet. Paint method redisplay the output of applet viewer by each time. Let's check the general form of paint method. Here public is a access mode, void is return type, paint is the paint method from AWT, graphics is a class and G is the object of graphics. Body. In the body part we can use any graphics method. Here we are going to use the drawString method to write the string on applet viewer. drawString method. It is a member of graphic class which is used to display the given text. Here is the general form of drawString. drawString method contains string str, integer variable x, integer variable y as parameters. Here str is string to be drawn, x is x coordinate, y is y coordinate. Now let's check the example. This is our first example of applet. First of all, we should import applet class and AWT class. This is the command line which contains applet tag of HTML. Here code contains the value of class name, then width and height. Now let's take a look at our class. Here first applet is our applet class which extends applet. Here paint method of applet is overridden. G is the object of graphic class by which we can call the drawString method to write any string on x coordinate and y coordinate. Now let's take a look how to run this applet. Compiling process is same process as we did in our previous programs. Write javac and then write our program name .java. Enter. Our program successfully compiled. Then write applet viewer and our program name with extension .java and run. So this is our applet viewer which display the string. I hope now you have clear idea about how to run and execute applet.